of Rotary semester and the board members, we carry out a number of welfare schemes productively to the society. We perform through the revenues of club service, vocational service, community service, international service and youth service with the support of the directors and our board members. As a result of this, we feel honored to inform you all that we have received the award of Best Club, Best President and Best Secretary in the awards function. Not only that, but also we have received excellent certificates in all avenues during the tenure of President Rotary Maria Sylvester. On behalf of the Rotary Club of Nagercoil for the year 2025-26, I am happy to toast to the outgoing team. Thank you all.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks for the opportunity given to me to reply toast. I am pleased to inform the Rotary activities of our club for the year 2025 and 26 by our club president, Rotarian Maria Sylvester, with the coordination of board members, were highly appreciated by Rotarian Jacqueline. As the director of the club service, I would like to express our big thanks to Rotarian Jacqueline on behalf of the outgoing team of the year 2025 and 26. I also individually and collectively wish the President-elect Rotarian Kalarajan and a team of office bearers for a successful and enjoyable Rotary year 2026 and 27. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotary Sylvester. Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at the most significant and eagerly awaited moment of this evening. Thank you. May I now invite Rotarian PHF Engineer Ravi Kumar to introduce our incoming President Rotarian Kalarajan.
Good evening, respected dignitaries on the dais, dear guests, fellow Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great privilege and honor to stand before you this evening to introduce a remarkable leader, an accomplished educator and compassionate social worker and an inspiring Rotarian who truly exemplifies Rotary's motto, service above self. Today, I have the distinct pleasure to introducing our esteemed President Rotarian Kalarajan, whose life and leadership are the shining example of dedication, integrity, and selfless service. She was born on 18th December in Nagercoil. She completed her early education at Concert Primary School and SLB Government Higher Secondary School, Nagercoil. He pursued her higher education at Nagercoil College, Nagercoil, where she obtained both her undergraduate and postgraduate degrees in economics. Further strengthening her academic credentials, she earned B.Ed, M.Ed, and M.Phil degrees, securing first-class distinction in her studies. Her professional career commenced as an assistant professor of economics at Nagercoil College, Nagercoil. She later joined the government education department as a postgraduate assistant, and through her dedication, competence, and administrative excellence, she rose to the position of headmistress in government high secondary schools. Over a distinguished career spanning more than 32 years, she has played a vital role in shaping the lives of countless students. Beyond her contribution to education, Rotarian Kalarajan has been actively involved in social and family welfare initiatives. She served as a member of the Family Commission and has been instrumental in conducting pre-marital preparation and counseling programs for younger couples, helping strengthen families' values and relationship within the community. The couple is blessed with two daughters, Brinda Ashwin, who holds a Master of Engineering degree, and Dr. Mangla Smith, a medical professional currently residing in Ireland. I am blessed with three grandsons who bring immense joy to their family. Rotarian Kalarajan joined the Rotary Club of Nagercoil in 2018. Her dedication to Rotary was particularly evident during the challenging COVID-19 pandemic, when her husband, Rotarian past president A. Rajan, served as club president and Rotarian Kalarajan served as secretary. Together, they conducted more than 200 projects during the COVID-19 pandemic. She is very interested in sports activities. She studied at Calcutta State College, where she was the leader of the throwball team and the kho team. Under her leadership, both teams won championships in the annual athletics and sports competitions. The Interzone Golden Jubilee Sports Meet conducted by Innerville District 321, held in 2024 and 25 Stadium, Nagercoil, where she led the throwball team to victory and won the championship for the team. With their vast experience in education, administration, counseling and community service, Rotarian Kalarajan continues to inspire fellow Rotarians and the wider community through the unwavering dedication, compassionate leadership, and steadfast commitment to the Rotary ideal of service above self. Her life stands as a testament to the transformative power of education, service and purposeful leadership. We extend our warmest congratulations and best wishes to Rotarian Kalarajan, and she leads the Rotary Club of Nagercoil toward another year of impactful service, fellowship and excellence. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Kumar. With much happiness, I now request the District Governor, Rotarian Gandhi, to write. Congratulations, President Rotarian Kalarajan. We wish you a very beautiful year filled with service and outstanding achievements. We will now proceed with the installation of the Sergeant at Arms. I now invite our President Rotarian Kalarajan to induct Rotarian Babu Rajendra Prasad as the Sergeant at Arms for the year 26-27.
Next, immediate past president, Rotarian Maria Sylvester. And the treasurer, Rotarian Major Donor, Bala Raj. Next one, Joint Secretary, Rotarian P. Vasanti. For the club service, Rotarian, next Rotarian, vocational service, Rotarian past miniature, yes, Krishna. Next for the community service, Rotarian past assistant volunteer, Dr. K. Suresh Bala. And for the international service, Rotarian benefactor M. Raj Kumar. And for the advisor trainer, for club advisor, Rotarian pastor PHF, advocate M. A. Azim. And club trainer, Rotarian pastor PHF, U. Shivamani Murthy. Anita Nagaraj. Youth Executive Committee Chairman, Rotarian PHF Ravi Kumar. Public Image Chairman, Rotarian S. Ramalingam. Associate Board Promotion Committee Chairman, Rotarian Engineer J.S. Arun. Yes. Sports Activities Committee Chairman, Rotarian Past President P. Vijay Kumari. Vijay Kumari.
Ready, sir?
Women in Rotary Chairman, Rotarian Rani Appaswamy. An IT Officer, Rotarian Dr. K.U. Gomakumar. So please join me in extending a warm round of applause to our newly elected leadership. We wish them every success that they lead in our class in the year ahead.
Okay, ready? Ready, sir? Okay, ready? Happy smile, ready? Cheese. Hello, smile, Mona. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
നമുക്കിത് കെട്ടുന്നു
Thank you everyone and congratulations to the new team. I invite our newly inducted President Rotarian Kanarajan to deliver the acceptance address.
Good evening and Rotary greetings to everybody.
I feel honored and privileged to have the opportunity to deliver the acceptance speech. First and foremost, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our Almighty God who has given us strength and bringing us one for His prestigious 77th installation ceremony of the Rotary Club of Nagercoil. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished RI District 3212 Governor Rotarian K. Gandhi for gracing this prestigious 77th installation ceremony despite his busy schedule. Your presence has given us great encouragement and guidance to our club. Thank you, sir. It is my great pleasure and honor to welcome our respected senior Rotary members. Your guidance, experience, dedication, and years of service, that is more than 59 years in Rotary, are truly an inspiration to all of us. We are grateful for your continuous support and blessings to our club. On behalf of our Rotary Club of Nagercoil and our Governor, I extend a heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. Thank you. Thank you, Rotarian Engineer PHF Ravikumar, for your introducing me in a systematic manner. Thank you. I would like to offer my sincere thanks to all our Rotary members for selecting me to lead our club as President for the Rotary year 2026-27. Thank you. As I deliver my acceptance speech today, I sincerely promise that I will do my best to lead our club towards great success. During this period, the theme of Rotary International is Create Lasting Impact, and our district theme is Aram, that is Aram Cheyya Virumbu. Inspired by these meaningful themes, we have selected a village named Kanyankulam, located about 7 km from Nagercoil, for our One Club, One Village project. This village is under poverty line and with a desire to bring meaningful change to the lives of the people. By the end of the Rotary year, we hope to see growth and positive development in the village through our governor, club members, board members, and our AG Rotarian Rotary Joseph. I am acting only as a servant, but all members are my masters. As Mahatma Gandhi said, that India's development depends upon the development of its villages only. I would like to make mention of a famous quote by Winston Churchill, who said, "We make a living by what we get, but we make a life but by what we give." நாம் பெறுவது மூலம் நம்முடைய வாழ்க்கையை அமைந்து கொள்ளலாம், ஆனால் நாம் கொடுப்பதால் இன்னொருடைய வாழ்க்கையை புதிதாக ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். As the saying goes, we can see God in the smiles of the poor. ஏழையின் சிரிப்பில் இறைவனை காணலாம். மனிதநேயம் கொண்ட சில மனிதர்கள் தங்கள் அறச்செயல்கள் மூலம் சமுதாயத்தில் பயனாளிகளிடையே ஒரு நிலைத்த தாக்கத்தை உருவாக்கி, that is create lasting impact, வரலாற்றில் நிலையான ஒரு இடத்தை பெற்றிருக்கிறார்கள். Many great humanitarian leaders have created a lasting impact in society through their selfless service and have earned a permanent place in history. One such inspiring example in India is Dr. Ida Sophia. She was born in 1870 in Ranipet in a medical missionary family. Her father, Dr. John, was running a small hospital and treating patients suffering from cholera and malaria. One night, 3 pregnant women, 2 Hindu and 1 Muslim, were brought for delivery. But because Dr. John was a male doctor, their families refused to allow him to treat them due to social and cultural reasons. Tragically, 2 of the women died that night without receiving medical care. This heartbreaking incident deeply affected young Ida Sophia. She went to America, studied medicine, and returned to Vellore. She started a small medical service for women with a few beds. Today, it has grown into the world-famous Christian Medical College, CMC Vellore, one of the most respected medical institutions in India and internationally. This is a true example of create lasting impact and earning a place in history by way of Aram Cheyya Virumbu. According to Thiruvalluvar, தாளாட்டி தந்த பொருளெல்லாம் தக்கார்க்கு வேளாண்மை செய்தல் பொருட்டு. ஒருவர் தன் முயற்சியுடன், தன்னுடைய சொந்த முயற்சியுடன் சேர்த்த செல்வத்தை தகுதியுடையவர்களுக்கு உதவ பயன்பட வேண்டும். நிறைய ஏர்ன் பண்ணலாங்க, ஆனால் பிறருக்கு கொடுக்கணும்னு விரும்பினீங்கன்னா அந்த தகுதியுடைய மனிதன் யாருன்னு பார்க்கணும். இந்த பாருங்க, தகுதியுடையவர்கள் வந்திருக்காங்க. எங்கள் கிளப்பில் நாங்கள் சூஸ் பண்ண கிராமம் இதுதான் எங்களுடைய தகுதியானவர்கள். On this basis, our PDG Rotarian Miran Khan Salim has created a lasting impact by providing wheelchairs and robotic artificial limbs to more than 300 differently abled persons. These humanitarian services will surely earn a special place in history. திருமண வீட்டில் மொய் எழுதி கூட்டம் சேர்ப்பாங்க. ஆனால் இறந்த வீட்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு சிலருக்கு கூட்டம் ரொம்ப இருக்குங்க. அது என்ன கூட்டம்னா அது தானாக சேர்ந்த கூட்டம். இது மொய் எழுதி வருவதில்லை. மாறாக அது ஏன் அந்த கூட்டம் வந்தது அப்படின்னா, அவர் வாழ்ந்த இந்த உலகத்தில் அவர் பிறருக்கு செய்த புண்ணியம் மட்டுமே. அவர் செய்த புண்ணியம்தான் அந்த கூட்டம். இறைவன் நமக்கு இலவசமாக காற்றை தந்தார், நீரை தந்தார். ஆனால் நாம் அவருக்கு வரலாற்றில் இடமே கொடுக்கல. நம்ம கவர்னர் அவர்கள் ஒரு பெரிய புண்ணியம் செய்தாங்க. சாருக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கோ இன்னும் தெரியல. ஓகி புயல் ராம்நாட்டில் நிறைய மரங்கள் பாதிச்சிட்டு கவர்னர் அவருடைய நண்பர்களோடு விழுந்த மரங்களை எல்லாம் சற்று தூரத்தில் அதை நட்டு வச்சு அதை பாதுகாத்து சில நாட்கள் கழித்து போய் பார்த்து அதெல்லாம் தழுத்துட்டு. அது மட்டும் இல்லைங்க, மரத்துக்கு மட்டும் உயிர் கொடுக்கல, அந்த மரத்தில் வாழ்ந்த அத்தனை பறவைகளும் தங்கள் மரங்களை தேடி அதிலே கூட்டை அமைத்து கொண்டன. இது எவ்வளோ பெரிய ஒரு வரலாற்று நிகழ்ச்சி. ரோட்டரியில் ஒரு வரலாற்று நிகழ்ச்சி. கண்டிப்பாக ரோட்டரியில் அவர் இடம் பெற வேண்டும். இதே போல் ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் நாகர்கோயில் கண்ட புண்ணியம் இந்த கன்னியாகுளம் கிராமம்தான். With the cooperation and support of our governor, AG and all our 125 Rotary members, we will carry out several meaningful projects in our sponsored village throughout the year and develop the standard of living of the people by fulfilling their basic needs and providing essential facilities. We can bring positive changes to their lives, and this village can become a role model of district project 2026-27. At the same time, we will also earn the satisfaction, punyam, and pride of serving humanity through these noble efforts. To sum up, I can say that under the 7 areas of focus and with the support of our governor, our senior members, AG, board members and all our 125 Rotary members, we successfully conducted weekly meetings, club assemblies, board meetings, medical camp, blood donation camp, multi-zonal meetings, family meeting, fireside meeting, various festivals and special days. Together we strengthened our friendship and fellowship and made our Rotary Club of Nagercoil into a happy Rotary Club. Into a Rotary Club of Happy Rotary Club. Thank you.
Thank you, President. Ladies and gentlemen, every new member brings a fresh perspective to making a positive difference in our community.
And good evening to all. My pleasant duty is to introduce new members. The first member is Dr. Jefferson David, and he is a doctor. Yesterday we have celebrated the Doctors' Day also. So 2 doctors are joining today, and he is a doctor liked by everybody. The reason is he never gives medicine and never does surgery. His degree is in osteopathy. Osteopathy means there is he treats patients by massage and other methods actually. And he has an educational qualification is concerned. He has done 2 diplomas from Canada as well as Belgium, and he is FRCP and PhD holder. And now I welcome Dr. Jefferson David to First family. His brief biodata is a professor, is MBBS and postgraduate diploma and MF, is a EAD and is a professional experience.
ஒன்றும் இல்லை அங்கே தான்
His professional experience goes actually is a district nodal officer for National Program for Prevention and Control of Tuberculosis and is a chief ENT surgeon for district headquarters of Rotary and he is a district nodal officer for non-communicable disease and his expertise is in the clinical surgical, particularly ENT. And he has got he is a researcher also, he has got research publication and he is a member of many professional society. I welcome to this program.
Madam, sir, sir, sir. Ready, sir? Sir? Okay, sir.
Congratulations, Rotarian Jefferson and Rotarian Blessed Kelly. Welcome to the Rotary Club of Nagercoil, and from today on you will be called Rotarians.
Sir? Madam? Sir? Okay. Sir, ready?
ஏஜி முன்னாடி போவோம்
மேடம் பின்னாடி வாங்க ஓகே ரெடி மேடம் இங்கே பாருங்க ஓகே ரெடி சார் ஓகே
Rotarian past President PHF Dr. U. Arunachalam.
ரெடி சார் மேடம்
Dr. M. Rajkumar for having 35 years in service in Rotary. Rotarian past President MPHF Dr. S. Krishnakumar for having 30 years of experience in Rotary.
Okay, ready, sir?
Rotarian past President Major Donor Dr. Renu Devaprasad, 30 years. Rotarian past President PHF Advocates. Rotarian who are here with us today.
Ready, sir? Sir?
An honorary Rotarian Major Donor Dr. Jacob Raja with a special recognition in appreciation of his outstanding service. Let us give a big hand of applause for an appreciation of their invaluable service and enduring commitment.
ಮೊದಲೇ சரி
Thank you everyone. We now
புல்லட்டின் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணோம், ஜிஎம்எல் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணோம். ஜிஎம்எல் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணும்போது நாங்கள் ஒரு பாலிசி என்ன பண்ணோம்னா, அதை யார் கஷ்டப்பட்டு உருவாக்குனாங்களோ அவங்க கையால ரிலீஸ் பண்ணணும்னு அவங்க தான் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணாங்க. எடிட்டர்ஸ் 2 பேர் தான் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணாங்க. ரிசீவ் பண்ணது அங்கே ஒரு சீனியர் உடைய. பட் இங்கேயும் டைரக்ட் ரிலீஸ் பண்றதுலையும் நாங்கள் ஒரு பாலிசி ஃபாலோ பண்றோம். அதுக்கு கஷ்டப்பட்டு உருவாக்குறதுக்கு யார் பாடுபட்டு உருவாக்குனாரோ அந்த நபர் அதை ரிலீஸ் பண்றதுதான் சரியான அவர் கொடுக்குற அங்கீகாரம். ஸோ அவர் ரிவ்யூவாக ரிலீஸ் பண்றாரு, டாக்டர் செல்வன் ரிசீவ் பண்றாரு. தேங்க்யூ.
share and appreciate the editor of the district directory and give him a big round of applause.
This is the first time in our 320 history
Second day of the release பண்ணுறேன். First day clear பண்ணிருக்கோம். Second day of the we release it.
Congratulations, and it is a pride that this directory is being released in Rotary Club of Nagercoil. So for this, you have to give a big round of applause once again.
எல்லாரும் கையில் ஒன்று வச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
இது ஆன் டைம் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணதுல very
அது பின்னாடி விளக்குறீங்க. ஓகே. தள்ளி வாங்க.
ரொம்ப தள்ளி போயிடும்.
We shall not proceed with the release of the club's e-bulletin. The Rotary Club of Nagercoil
கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி வாங்க சார். கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி வாங்க. கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி வாங்க. கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி வாங்க. ஓகே, ரெடி? எல்லாரும் பாருங்க. ஓகே, ரெடி சார்? Please wait. Okay, thank you.
we shall not proceed with the release of the club's e-bulletin. The Rotary Club of Nagercoil is proud to introduce yet another innovative initiative, our e-bulletin. This digital edition allows every Rotarian here to access the bulletins from July 2025 to 26 together as one flip book on their mobile phone. May I now request our District Governor, Rotarian K. Gandhi Krishnan, to officially release the club's e-bulletin. We request the audience to kindly scan the QR code displayed here to read the e-bulletin in your device. Thank you very much.
இதுல உள்ள இந்த barcode நீங்க ஸ்கேன் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அது புல்லட்டின். அதுதான் throughout year.
Pride and a deep sense of responsibility that I stand before you today as the Assistant Governor of our prestigious Rotary Club of Nagercoil. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome each one of you to the 77th installation ceremony of our beloved club, to the dawn of another promising Rotary year 26-27. At the outset, I would like to place on record my heartfelt appreciation, sincere gratitude to our outgoing President, Rotarian Maria Sylvester, and our vibrant Secretary, Rotarian Muthukarpa Pillai, along with their dedicated team for their exemplary leadership, unwavering commitment, and outstanding performance throughout the past Rotary year. Your tireless efforts, remarkable achievements, and selfless service have elevated the stage of our club and laid a strong foundation for the years to come. We bid you a warm farewell with immense appreciation and heartfelt gratitude. It is now my proud privilege to felicitate and warmly congratulate our incoming President, Rotarian Kalarajan, and Secretary, Rotarian Shivashankar, and our entire team. Dear President and Secretary, as you assume this noble responsibility, I wish you a Rotary year filled with wisdom, strength, unity, and countless opportunities to serve. May your leadership inspire every member to dream bigger, serve better, and create an enduring legacy for our club. We are indeed blessed and deeply honored to have our beloved District Governor, Rotarian Major Donor K. Gandhi Krishnan amidst us today. Sir, your simplicity, humility, visionary leadership, and unwavering commitment to Rotary continue to inspire every Rotarian in our district. Congratulations on your well-deserved position and on the remarkable accomplishments you have already achieved. Your simplicity and your passion for service and your innovative vision have become a guiding light for all of us. This Rotary year carries an inspiring message from our Rotary International President, Polanka Hakim Bablola. Create lasting impact. It is more than a theme. It is a call to action. It reminds us that every project we undertake, every hand we hold, every life we touch should leave behind a meaningful and lasting difference. Equally inspiring is our district team, Aram. Serve with integrity and our district project serving the roads. The very word Aram embodies the essence of humanity, compassion and selfless service. Our district governor's vision of each club caring for a village is both noble and transformative. By adopting villages, caring for senior citizens, constructing individual toilets for the needy, empowering women through sewing machines, introducing initiatives like 100 pink autos, and implementing several impactful community projects, we are not merely serving communities, we are transferring lives while embracing all the 7 avenues of service. As Assistant Governor of this prestigious club, I consider it my privilege and responsibility to serve as a strong bridge between our district and our club. I assure you of my wholehearted support and unwavering commitment in helping our club achieve greater heights and successful accomplish our shared Rotary goals. Together through unity, fellowship and dedication, we can bring out the very best in each of us. My heartfelt gratitude also goes for all the pillars of our prestigious club, our senior Rotarians, past leaders, fellow assistant governors, dedicated members and dear friends. Your encouragement, guidance and unwavering support have been instrumental in every success we celebrate today. Without your collective efforts, this journey would not have been possible. Dear fellow Rotarians, our greatest strength has always been our unity. Let us strengthen our bonds of friendship, serve humanity with love and compassion, inspire one another, empower our communities, and together create a meaningful and lasting impact on countless lives. Once again, my heartfelt congratulations to our newly installed President Rotarian Kala and Secretary Rotarian Shivashankar and their entire team. May this Rotary year be one of our remarkable achievements, enduring fellowship and exceptional service above self. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Rotarian President Joseph. I now invite Rotarian Major General Bala Rajkumar to introduce our Chief Guest, Rotarian Gandhi.
Rotary President Kala Rajan, Distinguished Governor Rotarian Gandhi Krishnan, Rotarians from other clubs, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasant privilege to introduce our dynamic, multifaceted Governor Rotarian Gandhi Krishnan to this august audience. He was born in 1972 in Ramanathapuram, Tamil Nadu. A distinguished entrepreneur and dedicated Rotarian, he has successfully balanced professional excellence with an unwavering commitment to community service and Rotary leadership. He completed his diploma in civil engineering and brings over 36 years of experience in the field of civil construction. He is the managing director of Sri Ramana Constructions Private Limited, Ramanathapuram, a company known for the quality workmanship and contribution to infrastructure development. His Rotary journey began in the year 1981 when he joined Rotaract, where he served with distinction as both secretary and president. Inspired by this Rotary ideals of service, he became a member of the Rotary Club of Ramnad in the year 2000 and has since held numerous leadership positions at both the club and district levels. A visionary leader and an accomplished organizer, Rotarian Gandhi Krishnan served as the conference chairman during the year 2017-18, successfully hosting Sangamitram, a landmark district conference held at Kodi International Kodaikanal, which was widely appreciated for its scale, organization, and impact. Let us give a big applause for that. His leadership journey within Rotary District 3212 includes serving as Assistant Governor in the year 2020-21, Chairman District Assembly in the year 2022-23, various key district and club leadership positions over the years he had held. Various committed supporter of the Rotary Foundation, Rotarian Gandhi Krishnan is a level 3 major donor, having contributed $56,246 US dollars, reflecting his deep commitment to humanity, Rotary humanitarian and service initiative worldwide. This is a great credit to the Rotary Club of our district. His dedication, leadership, and exemplary service earned him the trust and respect of fellow Rotarians, leading to his unanimous election as District Governor for the Rotary year 2026-27. He has also represented the district at several Rotary international conventions, enriching his Rotary experience through global fellowship and learning. Rotarian Gandhi Krishnan is happily married to Rotarian Murugeshwari, a homemaker and a supportive partner in his Rotary journey. They are blessed with a son and a daughter, both of whom have excelled in their respective fields. Their son, Rotarian engineer Gautam Krishnan, is an accomplished professional and an MBA graduate from the IIT Chennai. He is married to Rotarian Vaishnavi Gautam, who is currently pursuing her postdoctoral research at IIT Chennai. They are blessed with a granddaughter, Artika. So, the family is further blessed with a granddaughter, Mahida. With his rich professional experience, steadfast commitment to Rotary ideals, and passion for service above self, Rotarian Gandhi Krishnan continues to inspire Rotarians communities through his leadership, vision, and dedication to creating lasting positive change. With his few words, I take great privilege to introduce our distinguished governor to this august audience. Thank you.